Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on IT consulting with Accenture step by step clearly. Identify your specific IT needs and objectives. Determine the scope of the project you want to consult on. Research Accenture's services to find the right experts for your requirements. Assess your budget and establish a clear financial limit for consulting expenses. Schedule an initial consultation with Accenture to discuss your needs. Prepare a list of questions and topics you want to cover during the meeting. Be open about your budget constraints during the consultation. Ask about potential cost-saving strategies and solutions offered by Accenture. Evaluate their proposed approach and how it aligns with your goals. Consider leveraging Accenture's existing tools and frameworks to minimize costs. Discuss flexible pricing options, such as outcome-based pricing or phased engagements. Ask about potential discounts for long-term engagements or bundled services. Request case studies or examples of how Accenture has achieved savings for similar clients. Negotiate the contract terms to ensure alignment with your budget goals. Review the contract carefully to understand all terms and conditions. Ensure there are no hidden fees or unexpected costs outlined in the agreement. Engage in regular communication with your Accenture consultants throughout the project. Monitor the project's progress against your budget and expectations. Provide feedback to Accenture during the project to adjust strategies as needed. Evaluate the success of the consulting engagement upon completion. Document lessons learned to inform future IT consulting projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.